The famous red and white KFC fried chicken basket and the adorable smile of Colonel Sanders may be known to you. It could be challenging to distinguish fact from myth when it comes to KFC and its founder Colonel Sanders' world-famous fried chicken recipe because of all the hidden information. To learn more about the brand's past, menu tips, foods to stay away from, and even some insight into those secret recipes, we did some research. In this video, we are going to reveal some disturbing secrets that KFC doesn't want you to know. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. KFC doesn't want you to think about the chicken being fried. If you're old enough, you're aware that Kentucky Fried Chicken used to be the name of KFC. Why was the name altered? According to Bloomberg in 1991, the chain's name was changed as part of a rebranding effort to make it sound healthier by dropping the word fried. Snopes asserts that the name change was necessary because of a Kentucky trademark dispute. The Da Vinci Code of the KFC recipe. Have you ever wondered why KFC goods are so delightful? Well, keep wondering. Everyone who has ever visited a KFC restaurant has probably wondered at least once what goes into the chicken to make it so wonderful. Yes, it is coated in massive amounts of oil and deep fried, but what sets it apart is the top secret ingredients that only a small number of employees are aware of. Because the corporation fears that individuals may attempt to replicate its products, thereby stealing away the franchise's attention, the exact recipe has never been made public. It has been disclosed through reliable, in whispers, and through references, and it will continue to be disclosed in this manner. The exact handwritten recipe, which is thought to be a complex blend of 11 herbs and spices, is locked up and kept at the company's headquarters in Kentucky, the US. You may have heard that other well-known restaurant companies are readily replicated, but that isn't the case with KFC. And the secrecy surrounding the recipe is proving to be beneficial to the business by making it more exclusive than other fast food restaurant chains. To start manufacturing our own homemade KFC-style chicken and save us all from a few extra calories, let's hope someone cracks the code or steals the stash of secret ingredients. Chicken gizzards. Gizzards are a digestive system muscle found in chickens that house all the filth the bird picks up when it scratches the ground. They are not for the timid. It helps the birds in digesting their food. They're really popular, so when they were eliminated from menus a few years ago, customers demanded their return and started a Facebook page called Return Livers Gizzards to KFC's menu. The ad was so successful that KFC brought back gizzards in some of its restaurants. Skip the KFC bowl if you want to eat healthy. Avoid this bowl of creamy mashed potatoes, popcorn, chicken bits, cheese, and massive amounts of gravy if you value your health. It has 720 calories, 34 grams of fat, and a staggering 2,370 milligrams of salt in every serving. Fish donuts and shrimp stars. Singapore's KFC is quite crazy. According to Mashed, the chain's Singapore branches began selling shrimp stars and fish donuts in 2012. Even so, what does that mean? They're actually not as weird as they might sound. Fish donuts are fish patties that have been coated and deep fried in the shape of donuts, as opposed to shrimp stars, which are shrimp nuggets in the shape of stars. You can create special sandwiches out of KFC biscuits. According to BuzzFeed, this one is very simple. Order chicken made from scratch, coleslaw, and biscuits. Now split the biscuits in half, top them with coleslaw, add some chicken, and shred it. Perhaps a little barbecue sauce would be nice. Idea of a famous chicken bucket. Dave Thomas, the man of Wendy's, was actually a franchise owner and early employee of KFC. The simplified menu, the rotating chicken bucket signs, and the famous red and white striped chicken bucket were all ideas that Thomas came up with according to the Balanced Small Business. Hack for ordering the discontinued Double Down sandwich. The Double Down sandwich, which had bacon, sliced cheese, and Colonel's special sauce between two fried chicken fillets, is no longer available on the KFC menu. However, rumor has it that if you purchase the parts separately, the staff will assemble the deep-fried mayhem for you without a no longer available special sauce. Is this a good move? From a health perspective, probably not. White pepper might be the secret to KFC's recipe. KFC's chicken formula has long been kept a closely guarded secret. But in 2016, a Chicago Tribune writer discovered what is allegedly the authentic recipe, complete with all 11 herbs and spices, including white pepper. The addition of white pepper is rare, and the flavor profile stated in the recipe does resemble the flavors of KFC's renowned chicken, though we cannot be certain it is an authentic recipe. Chicken breeding. KFC has been charged with creating its own genetically modified birds. The animals are not in the best of health and are being kept in terrible conditions. They are undernourished. If you thought the idea of mutant chickens seemed crazy and your imagination was running wild, KFC has also been charged with it, but this is only a rumor. According to popular perception, their chickens are hybrid in origin and mostly comprise flesh rather than other biological components. Some even go as far to say that they are not natural and are not typical at this stage. In addition, the hens are housed in tight conditions and have grown so big that they are hardly able to support their own weight. They continue to be conscious while being butchered, so the misery doesn't stop there. When it comes to animal cruelty, not only KFC but McDonald's has come to light. Supplier employees can be seen punching, kicking, and stamping on the birds in a video that was leaked. Animal abuse is unacceptable, and businesses that support their products while the animals are subjected to terrible treatment ought to be shut down for the best. The KFC drug racket. KFC may be everything that is crispy and tasty, but nobody will ever relate it with being a channel for the smuggling of illegal substances. That reads more like a plot Hollywood could consider for its upcoming production. But this one is a factual story, unlike all other fictional tales. Yes, it is true that we live in a world where all improbable things are either already true or about to become true. If you enjoyed the video, let us know which of these secrets is more shocking to you in the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. We will be back soon with another video.